Try ko naman ang red bell pepper with soft cheese and shrimps cracker. We'll see kung anong lasa nito. Okay. Kaya lang yung bell pepper ko is inati-ati ko ng ganito. Kasi masyadong malaki. Okay na yan. Ayan. Maga pa yung face ko. Okay. Lagyan natin na soft cheese. The white cheese.
Got poison from drinking on her behalf, and even right after surgery, pale with pain, I could calmly handle all her messes without.
Ayan.
Hundred tasks he proposed were outrageous. They included things like skydiving and deep-sea diving, all absurd and dangerous activities. I insisted. She did every single one.
All these years. Can't you see that at all?
Nangingi lang ako ng konti sa yan. Para parehas lang naman ang lasa niyan.
Never like you.
I didn't do any of this for you.
And then,
Nor for your affection.
lagyan natin ulit
You
ng
don't like me. I know
white
better
cheese sa
than you.
ibabaw.
But how can I explain it to you?
Yan.
Should I say that everything I've done is because I promised Jun?
White cheese sa ibabaw. Yan.
I'll give you a week
Mukbang
off.
time.
Focus on recovering. These next couple days, I'll stay here with you.
Ganun din.
That happy I'm staying.
Mm-hmm.